all over Italy, not just in Naples. It's all about scooters. As a youngster, you always get a scooter. You never get a car. It's always motorino, motorino.
You have it?
No, because I live in America already. But I've been on many. My friends, when I used to come and visit, had many rides on scooters. It's a great fun. It's part of the Italian life to have a scooter. You know, like your first girlfriend, you're sitting on a scooter making out. You know, it's all about, I mean, scooter is really part of your life in Italy, just like food is. It's just part of, you know, being on the street. So that's why you don't have that many accidents. The cars are aware of the scooters and the scooters are aware of the cars.
We have been producing pasta for 500 years. It's quite a long time. Our ancestor used Italian durum semolina, it's a very special semolina, together with mineral spring water. There are 12 sources of mineral spring water around us. We use a special one called imbuto, which is 300 meters far from us and comes directly in our production. The water has some special mineral inside, so when the pasta dries, those minerals stays into the pasta. So with those two ingredients, our ancestor, I'll show you here, made a mix into the madia, which is a big tray like that. Then they separate it into small balls, and those balls got bronze dye. This is a bronze dye. Oh, watch out.
Very heavy.
Very heavy.
Very.
Basically, there is a pressure of those mix I was mentioning before with water and semolina through here, and spaghetti are coming out from the other side. A knife cut it, and then we take the pasta on some tray when it's short pasta, or on the bamboo stick, put it into cellar, and we dry it 45 degrees.
And you can do a lot of workouts like this. Very good in the morning.
This is how we used to dry the pasta off the streets, barefoot.
Wow, on the streets. That's amazing.
Most of them, they were barefoot because they had to feel the heat. And basically, as you may see, this is Piazza Trevione, and they were full of pasta hanging for
right
drying.
here?
This is right down here, yes. This is Via Roma, which is the main road. The whole city of Gragnano has been built for drying pasta. Today we do exactly the same. The only difference is that we dry the pasta into the cellar. We cross our arms for 2, 3, even 4 days. Industrial producer, the whole process lasts 2 hours and 55 minutes. And they dry the pasta at 100, 120 degrees.
Wow, really hot?
Yeah, very. For
Celsius?
Yes, in 1 hour.
Which, like
it's about
300,
390 something, yeah.
degrees Fahrenheit.
Yeah.
So that's like almost cooking it.
It is. So basically they crystallize it. That's why the industrial pasta is darker. This is artisan, this is our pasta. And this is exactly the same pasta, but industrial one. As you might see, the color is totally different. It's brownish, while we have this bright color, very yellowish.
What is the #1 bestseller?
It's right there. We're famous for spaghetti. What makes the difference, it's also this hook here.
Yeah, I love the hook.
Yeah.
I love the hook.
Because none of industrial pasta keeps the hook.
It's beautiful.
People in the production just take the pasta out of the bamboo stick, put it into plastic bag.
Exactly.
That's it.
That's
Ready
it.
to go.
Yes. They say the pasta from Gragnano
Yeah.
is the best pasta
In the world. Correct.
Right.
Apart from the tradition,
Yes.
apart from the history, we have our master craftsman. His name is Antonino, who received 32 secrets from his father and grandfather going back to generation in the production of pasta. He is the man who goes inside the cellar, touch the pasta, feel it, and gives us the thumbs up for moving to the packaging division. He knows what he's doing.
Obviously.
Obviously. Oh, it is. Talk about the devil.
Oh, yes.
Master.
Buonasera.
Master, the gentleman here is a chef from Los Angeles who buys our pasta.
He's always going back and forward, fixing something, checking the pasta. We have like 26 rooms, cellar for drying pasta.
So all this downstairs?
Everything is downstairs.
Oh, wow. Can I tell you something? They don't let anybody downstairs. It was very obvious. Did you notice that?
I did.
Yes. you know, very thankful, and we saw something that most people can never see. And how amazing was the heat in there and the smell.
Yeah.
It was great. The people that come to the restaurant are well-traveled people, most of them. They know Italian food, so they understand what's good and what's bad. But they all kind of say the same thing. Your food is even better than in Italy. Now, I don't know if it's true or not, right? That's in the eyes of the beholder. But they really believe that. That's why they keep on coming back over and over and over. And what we have always been able to provide is high quality food. And high quality does not mean expensive. You have to understand. It means genuine, healthy, true, fresh food. And that's the secret. That's the secret. Even here's the secret. You go to a restaurant like the one that we enjoyed a couple of days ago, Dadora, that we're going back to. Why do you want to go back? Because the fish is fresh. It's done without overdoing anything. Fundamentally, that's what you have to do. And not cheat the customer with frozen stuff, with old stuff, and you become successful.